GitHub Copilot is amazing for pair programming. Unfortunately, it doesn't support Jupyter notebooks. In this video, I will show you an alternative to GitHub Copilot, which works perfectly with Jupyter notebooks. And it is particularly very useful for data science and machine learning community who mostly work in environments like Jupyter notebooks. So the alternative is CodeSquire, which is a Google Chrome extension. You can download it for free. So let me show you the quick demo of CodeSquire. You can see here I have a simple function called split data to train and test, and I have added a couple of comments here in the doc string. One, load the data from iris data set and split into training and testing sets. And see here, just with one tab I can get the entire code here. That is not enough, and if you press enter and if you wait for a couple of seconds, it will suggest you the next step in your program. So as you can see here, we have just split the data into training and testing set. The next step probably training the model. So you can see here CodeSquire is correctly suggesting that. Isn't it amazing? I hope you like this video, and if you want to know more about CodeSquire, please check out their website. And if you have any questions related to Python or data science, please ask me in the comment section below. I will meet you in the next one. Till then, take care.